Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 35 Realm. What a phenomenal boat this is. It does everything very, very well. Let's start at the back of the boat. You get the new Mercury's, the triple 300s, ton of horsepower for this boat. Fast hole shot, gets right up on plane, and a good top end as well. Get the really comfy fold-up seat in the back, so 3 adults very, very comfortable with a really nice backrest on it. And then you can fold it up when you're fishing, and it's a really comfortable leaning post. And then we got a smaller live well here, so very convenient if you're fishing off the back of the boat. You got one right in front of you. And then you get the boarding door that opens up here, and then does 3 things. The first thing is, as far as getting on the boat, it's the safest way to get on and off the boat. When you're getting on and off a floating dock and you're at the same level, you're right on it. It's the safest way to get on the boat. You have a fixed ladder, 4-step ladder. That's the safest way to get on. You actually have a handle you can pull yourself up in, so that's a really good feature. And as far as fishing, a lot of times when you bring the fish over the gunnel, this is where you lose them, bringing them over the gunnel. You can just drag them right straight through, put them right into the fish box. It's a really safe way and an easier way to get the fish on board. You've got the shore shade that comes all the way out over the back of the boat for if you don't want the sun. And then you've got the reversible seat, so if you're hanging out here, we have a table that goes in here, so you get 5 adults can comfortably sit right in here. You got a footrest in here. Very large cooler. You can put all kinds of things in here, including food. So it's easy accessible right here. And then you've got the second live well. So you've got a larger one here. So now you've got 2 live wells for 2 different kinds of bait. So you've got your set up nicely. Also works as a cooler very well. Then what I can do here is I'm going to slide this seat this way. Now it's face forwarding this way. Now we can have the 2. I spun this one around, so now we can have 2. We have a table that comes right up here. Got air conditioning vents down here, so you can have 4 people very comfortably having drinks or hors d'oeuvres sitting right here under the roof. So really nice setup. And then if you're all done doing that, it's time to go. Flip it around, you get a really nice helm seat. 2 people, I can have company with me. I love having someone sitting with me. I'm not by myself. And then the dash is just fantastic. You've got the 2 Raymarine flat screens, touch screens, that are really nice. You get the digital throttle shift, and then you got the joystick. I can dock this boat anywhere, anytime, any condition, you name it, I can put the boat in with the joystick. Also has the sky hook, which is good for waiting for a slip assignment. If you want to see a sunset, you can point it right at it, and it locks you in with the GPS. So really nice feature. We don't use the anchor hardly at all anymore when I have this. And also it's got the autopilot, which is called auto heading, and it's a point and shoot. So I point the bow at the direction I want to go, I hit the button, and it takes me straight there. No more waypoints. Fantastic. The cabin is really nice. So this is set up for entertaining very well. It's got a TV, it's got a full stand-up head-in with a shower, and you could actually spend the night on this boat very comfortably, and just very roomy, very nice setup for entertaining and sleeping as well. So the cabin's wonderful. As we move up to the bow, really nice lounge setup here. So you can put 4 adults very comfortable. We have armrests all up here to make it more comfortable for you. The beautiful tea table for entertaining everybody sitting around, and you can lower it down. It's a hydraulic, so it lowers down, and now it's one huge sun pad. So it's really comfortable for a lot of people hanging out. So the boat does everything very well. If you'd like to see it or have any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.